Your doors do more than provide entry and exit. They protect your home, add curb appeal, and contribute to energy efficiency. But like any feature of your property, doors don't last forever. Knowing when to repair and when to replace can save you money and frustration in the long run. If you live in Worcester, where changing weather conditions and constant use take their toll, recognizing the warning signs of door failure is essential. Persistent drafts and energy loss. If you feel a chill even when your door is closed, or if your energy bills keep climbing despite efforts to conserve heat, your door may no longer be doing its job. Worn-out seals, warped frames, and small gaps around the edges allow outside air to seep in. In Worcester's cold winters and humid summers, these leaks force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, driving up energy costs. While weather stripping and caulking can offer temporary relief, they won't fix deeper structural issues. Replacing the door with a new, energy-efficient model can drastically reduce heat loss and keep your home comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing a door should open and close smoothly. When you have to tug, lift, or force it into place, it's a sign that the frame may be warped or the hinges are misaligned. Over time, Worcester's seasonal humidity changes can cause wood to swell and contract, leading to a poor fit. Minor adjustments or lubrication might help for a while, but when a door consistently sticks or refuses to latch properly, it often means the structure has shifted beyond repair. A replacement ensures a proper seal, smoother operation, and improved security. Visible damage or decay, cracks, rot, dents, or rust are more than cosmetic issues. They indicate that your door's integrity has been compromised. Wooden doors are especially vulnerable to rot from moisture, while metal doors can rust over time. These problems not only weaken your door but also invite pests and moisture inside. If the damage is extensive or affects the frame, replacing the door is the best way to restore both function and appearance. Modern doors made from fiberglass or steel offer greater durability and require less maintenance, making them a smart long-term investment for Worcester homeowners. Increased outside noise. If you've noticed that outside noise seems louder than before, it could mean your door's insulation or seal is failing. Older doors often lack proper soundproofing, and worn seals can create gaps that let noise in. A replacement door with solid core construction and updated weather stripping can significantly reduce noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction, helping you maintain a quieter, more peaceful home. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, replacement isn't just about function, it's about aesthetics. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn, faded, or outdated door can drag down your property's appearance and even its value. Replacing your door gives you the opportunity to update your home's look, choose a style that complements your architecture, and improve overall curb appeal. In Worcester's competitive real estate market, even a small upgrade like a new front door can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Security concerns. An old or damaged door can pose a serious security risk. Weak hinges, loose frames, or outdated locks make it easier for intruders to force entry. Today's doors come with enhanced security features like reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials that provide better protection for your family and belongings. If your door no longer feels sturdy or safe, it's time for an upgrade. Final thoughts. Whether your current door shows visible wear, leaks air, or simply looks outdated, replacing it can enhance your comfort, security, and home value. Worcester homeowners face unique weather challenges, and a high-quality, properly installed door can make a significant difference. Instead of pouring money into endless repairs, consider replacement as a long-term solution that keeps your home beautiful, efficient, and secure for years to come.